Hey, welcome to the Master Tech Lou channel. I am Lou, and today I'm going to give you a brief explanation on that message saying stop vehicle, shift to P, leave engine running. All right, so but before we go anywhere, hit the subscription, hit the notifications. I'm going to give you tips and tricks to all sorts of vehicles, specifically Mercedes Benz. But I'm going to help teach you guys what's going on out there in the car world and give you some of my experience and help you out. So let me explain what that means. All right, so when you see this message, what it's telling you is basically the control module noticed that there's excessive resistance in the battery. So it set the warning on the dash telling you to stop the vehicle and let the engine run because you're not going to use many accessories, so it's going to recharge the battery. The problem is your main battery. I have a 2014 S550 right here. And this thing only has, ready for this? Oh, actually, I can't get that message off. It has 10,000 miles on it. It's a 2014 with 10,000 miles. It has the original battery in there. The battery has a stamping on the negative post showing the month and the year that it was produced. This was produced back in 2014, so it has the original battery. It lasted 10 years. The battery's no good anymore. It can't hold the charge. It won't maintain a good full surface charge. So the SAM control module notices there's excessive resistance in the battery. So it's telling you to let the car run to recharge the battery. That's basically what it means. So I wish it would say in the dash, recharging battery, right? Because people freak out like, oh, what's happening? Don't know what's going on. It's just trying to recharge the battery. That's what it's doing. So when you see that message, either your car sits too much and you need to have a charger on it, or you got a weak battery and it needs replaced. Batteries today in these cars, there's so much electronics in these cars. There's such a demand on these batteries that we're changing batteries sooner than we used to back in the day. Especially with the Eco Start Stop, you have 2 batteries in the car, sometimes 3 batteries, depending on the model. So keep note of that. But basically, when you see that message in the dash, it's probably time for a battery. All right. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to hit the subscription and the notification. Again, my name is Lou. You guys have a great day.